Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox server always lag. To know how to fix or how to solve server always lag, you should just go to settings, then we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will search about this window of Roblox and you will enter. Then here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we will enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end of all the steps, then you can turn off your phone. You will wait a moment, then you can turn on your phone again to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us, bell like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.